This video will show you how to use and get the most out of your Smeg toaster. Before first use, remove all of the stickers and labels. Clean the outside of the toaster with a damp cloth. Use the toaster for the first time without any bread in it. Turn the browning control to the maximum position and press the bread lift down. This will burn off any dust or factory residue within the toaster. With the toaster plugged in, add your bread of choice into the slots. Select the browning level using the dial and pull down the bread lift lever to activate the function. Wait for the toasting cycle to end or press stop at any time. To activate the additional functions, simply press the required button when the toaster is activated. For example, to use the bagel function, only the outer elements will activate. Add in the bagel, cut side facing out. Pull down the lever and press the bagel function button. It will illuminate to show the function is in progress. The lever will pop up once the program is complete. The reheat function allows you to reheat cold toast or to continue a toasting cycle if you require a little more browning. To activate, insert the toast into the slot. Select the reheat function on the control dial and press the bread lift down until it clicks. Allow the program to run for its duration or press stop at any time. The toasters also benefit from a defrost setting, perfect for taking bread directly from the freezer and allowing it to thaw whilst gently toasting. Ensure the toaster is activated and then press the defrost button. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.